welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track videos on your high-level funnels. So first of all, you would obviously need a funnel, and what we're going to do is we're going to set up an automation which is going to update you how long the lead viewed the video for using custom fields. So the first important thing that you would need to do is you would have to make sure that you collect the leads information before they watch the video in order for it to be in order for the workflow to be triggered. So they must submit their information via some contact form before watching the video. So how I have done it is I have set up an opt-in page where they go and they enter their information and then they hit submit. Once they hit submit, they will be taken to the video page where they will see the video. And now what I have done basically is I have set up a workflow which tracks the video on this specific funnel. So as you can see, there is this trigger video tracking. Here I have chosen the funnel, and then then I have chosen the video on the funnel. Now, how do you do this part where you choose the video on the funnel? Because if you try to embed it from custom code or YouTube, it wouldn't work. So the first thing you would have to do in order to track your video is you would have to go to your settings, then you would have to go to media, you will open media library, and you will upload a video here. So I have uploaded my video here like this. So you will select the file from your computer and then you will have it uploaded here. Once that is done, you will go to your funnel builder, and I have already uploaded the video here, but I will go to add elements, I will go to video, and from here under video type I will choose hosted video. Now it gives me the option to select the video file from my library, and now it also gives me the option to select the thumbnail. Once I have uploaded this video, just like you can see, the video file name is here review. Once the video is uploaded on the funnel, now when you will go back to your workflow, you would be able to see under filters where you first select the funnel and then you will select the video. Once that is done, you would also need to create a custom field. So for that, we will basically go to custom fields, and I've already set up a custom field, but what you can do here is you can go to add field, you can select drop down, single, then you will go to next. Now you can name it video tracking. For the group, you will choose contact, and now here you can add fields like less than 15%, 15% plus, 30% plus, and like that. I will show you the field. I have already built that out, so it is easier for you to understand. Video, select the video, go to edit, and here. So like this, you will set up the custom field. Once this custom field has been set up like this, now you can use this in your workflow to update the video tracking. So now the first thing that I've done is I've chosen the trigger with the funnel and the video. After that, I've added a wait step. So the reason you need to add a wait step is the very moment a lead has submitted their information on a form and they start watching the video, they will get entered into the workflow. So they will get entered into the workflow the very first second they have start watching the video. So that's why it is important that you have a wait step which is longer than the video time, and that way it is easier. That way you can avoid the error of getting the wrong data. So you will add a wait step here, whatever the time of your video is according to that. That it should be longer than that. After that, you will go and you will choose conditions. Now here in the conditions, I've written down the name, watch duration, and I have named the branches according to the percentage. Now here, what I have done is I have chosen this condition, which is basically, if you go back here, you will go to the filters and you will see video tracking. So you will choose the video tracking, and then you will go and you will choose video duration. And then from here, you will go and you will choose the option. You have multiple options, but the option that I have chosen is greater than or equals to. And then I will add 15%. And now my branch is created like that. Once that is done, now, yeah, so you will just write the number. It would be 15. I have done the same thing with 30%. I've done the same thing with 50%. I've done the same thing 75 and 90%. For all the filters, I've chosen video duration percentage greater or equal than this. Now what I'm going to do, now these are all branches of if else condition. Now they're automatically going to track the video, and any video that is less than 15%, it will automatically go to the none branch where I have named it less than 15%. Less than 15%. Once that is done, you will now go to the each and every single branch. You will choose the filter, the action type, update field data. So I will show you how that's done. So you will click on this plus and then you will write down update. Now here it gives you the option update contact field. From here you will go to select field. Now you will search for your field. Now here it says video tracking, and now when you click on it, you will be able to see all the options that you created on the drop down. So the drop down was here, I suppose. Yeah, it was here. So now you will be able to see all the options of the drop down. You will choose the option accordingly to the branch. So it is 15%. I will choose 15% and then I will save action. Once that is done, what I can also do is I can add tags. So I've also added a tag of 15%. And then I will do the following steps, do the same steps with all the fields here. As you can see, I've done the same with 30%. I have done the same with 50%. I have done the same with 75%. And then I have done the same with 90%. And for the none branch, which I named less than 15, I have done the same with that one. I've added a tag and then I can add the action step, which would be update contact field. So that's how it is done. Two of the two most important things is you must have to make sure that the video is uploaded via media library, and from there you go into your funnel builder and you choose the option for your video hosted video, and then you will upload the video on your funnel from your media library. Once that is done, only after that you will be able to see your video here in the trigger. If you upload custom embedded code or it is a YouTube link, it wouldn't work. The second important thing for the workflow is obviously you add a wait step, which is longer than the video, and then you would have to create the fields and then update it. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy to do, and this way you can track your videos on your Go high level funnels, and then you can trigger multiple automations with that as well.